Let us start this question. In this, he says, a particle of mass is moving along the x-axis with a speed v. When it collides with a particle of mass 2m, initially at rest. After the collision, the first particle has come to rest, and second particle has split into two equal mass pieces. And which of the following statements is that he's asking? So let us put, first let us put this body, whichever is going, there is no external force in it. When there is no external force, we can apply conservation of linear momentum. So whenever I put conservation of linear momentum, so conservation of linear momentum in x-axis we can put, and conservation of linear momentum in y-axis we have to take. We have to take it separately. So m1 u1 in x direction plus m2 u2 in x direction must be equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Right? So m1 u1, that is m into v, because in x-axis we have got v velocity, that is m1 in m into v. This 2m body is at rest, so that would be 0. 2m into u2 is 0. Remove that. Next, m1 body's final velocity is 0, so m1 v1 will be 0 plus this m2, whatever is there, there are two bodies, m2 and m3. This is m2 and this is m3, so m3 into v3. So in x-axis, let us suppose this fellow has got v2 velocity and this fellow has got v3 velocity. The component in x-axis would be v2 cos theta. The component in x-axis would be v3 cos theta. Okay. So in the place of m2, I can just put m because it is of same mass. v2, in the place of v2, we have to write v2 cos theta plus m into v3 cos theta. So mv is equals to m into v2 cos theta plus v3 cos theta. Okay. So m and m gets cancelled. V is equals to so much. V is equals to v2 cos theta plus v3 cos theta. Okay. So next we'll put this in y-axis. In y-axis, the initial velocity for this body and also this body both are 0. So m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equals to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 plus m3 v3, because after collision it has become into three bodies. m1 u1 is 0 because this body has velocity only in x-axis. There is no y-axis velocity. This is 0. For second body also it is 0. And for third body, this velocity is also 0 because it has stopped. Now what will happen? 0 is equals to m2 into v2's sine theta. So m2 v2 sine theta, and this is the velocity, minus m3 v3 sine theta. Okay. So if I send this there, m2 v2 sine theta is equals to m3 v3 sine theta. m2 and m3 are of same mass. We can cancel it out. And sine theta will also get cancelled. So I can write v2 is equals to v3. This is what? So v2, how much v2 is there? Exactly the same. v3 is also going with the same velocity. I hope you understood this. Now, let us further go to this question. So we know from x-axis, we know that v is equals to the initial velocity, v is equals to v2 cos theta plus v3 cos theta. From this relation, we know that v2 is equals to v3. So I can simply put v2 cos theta plus v2 cos theta, which is nothing but 2v2 cos theta is equals to my velocity. My velocity is 2v2 cos theta. Or v2 is equals to v by 2 cos theta. Okay, this is the velocity of v2. Now, after getting this information, he told us that cos theta, theta is always greater than 1. See, theta is always greater than 0. That means cos theta will be always less than 1. Like cos 0 is 1. So it is not cos 0 because it should be greater than 1. Cos 30. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And cos, what do you call, 60 is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. So you can see all these values are less than 1. If these values are less than 1, what will happen? Whenever you substitute these values in cos theta, what will happen? That will go, if it is less than 1, it will go to the numerator and it will get multiplied. Okay. So cos theta means if at all it is less than 1, whatever values are there, they will go and multiply at the top. So v2 is equals to, now you can understand from this, V2 is equals to V by 2 into 1 by cos theta. Okay. So which value would be more? Which value would be more? The options that are given, let me give you the options that are given in this. Just a second. The options that are given in these questions are this. So each speed moves with a speed of v, or each speed moves with a speed of v by 2, or one of the pieces move with speed of v by 2. We got that. V by v is equals to, how much we have got? V2 is equals to, that means the final velocity of this is equals to v by 2 into 1 by cos theta. So each speed, as this cos theta is less than 1, it will go and multiply to the numerator. So definitely V2 will be greater than V by 2. V2 would be greater than, this V2 would be greater than V divided by 2. So what will happen if V2 is greater than V by 2? That means the option would be fourth option. Each piece will move the speed greater than V by 2. I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubt, kindly ask. Thank you.